Hi, welcome everybody to Matt Bajerski YouTube channel. We're going to talk about Blend of a Healer, my new oil that has been out now a few weeks. And I think I'm going to stick to just one protocol at a time. So today, I think we'll stick with IBS, any kind of stomach issues at all. And is Blend of a Healer any good? And if it is, how would you use the protocol? How would you work on the body healing for that? So when I made this a few months ago, every now and again I'll have a dodgy stomach because of the crap out there. Normally it happens when I eat in restaurants, and even though I ask for no sugar, even though I ask for is it organic, sometimes you realize no, this they just tell you that, and you know by your stomach. So some of you guys who've got irritable bowel will understand this, whether you're gluten or celiac, whatever it is. It's all the poison, right, which is now introduced into the world of so-called food we call non-food. But besides that, we must also recognize that stress is a major factor in the healing process of the very issue inside the gut and the body. So I am no doctor, but what I did do is I created an oil that I believed would penetrate and thus start the healing process from within. So here's a bottle. Halfway through this one, there's gold and silver in there. You can't see it, but there's gold and silver in there. Okay. And one of the major factors for me is to get the most potent essential oil, organic, food grade, and I wanted it to penetrate the body so that the healing process would start. So here it is, and this is how I'd use it if you've got IBS. If you are of somebody who was like me many years ago, I had severe IBS, I would roll around the floor, I'd strip naked, I'd be sweating, I'd be on fire, and I'd want to die. And the only time I would have any relief is if a doctor came round and stuck a needle up my bum and squeezed it, and I'd be out for 2 days. That's how bad my irritable bowel got to. So if it's that bad, I would start off by, I would normally recommend 3 drops, but this is what I'd do. I'd recommend 6 drops, 3 to start with. So rub in the hands, and then you go straight to the front of the belly and rub inside the belly button. Massage around with one hand, you've got the other hand free there. Then go to your back, and exactly where the issue is, rub on your back. So you're penetrating through the back and the front, and just massage away, massage away, massage away, and then start to go right the way around. So with all this oil, massage. Remember, you don't need tons of this oil. It's so strong that it penetrates. You don't need to be gallons. It's just enough, because you're going to repeat this every hour. So 3 drops is enough, okay? Once you've done that, then take your hands, rub again, breathe in through the nose, 7 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds after that breath in through your nose. Count 7 seconds again and release out of your mouth. Release, exhale, 7 seconds. Hold again for 7 seconds after releasing, and then repeat. Breathe in 7 seconds, okay? Do that between 10 and 20 times. Now, I would do this every hour if you are at a point where your irritable bowel is really in pain, so you are actually experiencing pain. That I would use every hour. Then when the pain starts to release, so I don't know how long it will take, everybody is different. So just keep doing it every hour. 3 drops, just like I've done. Breathe in, keep doing it every hour. Then when you start to notice the symptoms aren't as bad, go on to every 2 hours. And after every 2 hours, if it starts to get better and better and better, then 3 times a day. Once in the morning, once in the afternoon, once at night. Even after the pain's gone, that's what you need to be doing. This isn't about, oh, I only take it when the pain's there. No, this is about managing your IBS. I am free. I don't have any pains anymore. So I want you not to have any pains anymore. So the repairing, the restructuring, the healing method of this oil is phenomenal because it's healing past, it's healing trauma, it's healing physical. So every at least 3 times a day, in the morning, in the afternoon, and at night. Keep the bottle with you. Keep it by your, if you buy 3 bottles, one by your computer or workstation or workplace, one when you brush your teeth. So, and another one maybe, I don't know, somewhere like in your pocket if you can, or in the car. So you've always got, you don't want any excuse. So after you brush your teeth, after you've had a shower, cleaned yourself down, then use the oil. When you wake up in the morning, have a shower. I have 2 showers a day. If it's really hot, I'll have 3. But in the morning, I'll have a shower, dry myself off, and then put the oils on my stomach like that. So at the point where, wow, this is starting to work, and it might take a few weeks. This isn't about rushing. This is about a way of life. So if it's about, if it doesn't work after one go, I'm not interested, then don't touch it, don't buy it. This is about healing all your life's issues, pains and sufferings and physical issues of what the shit you've eaten, the poisons that they've put in you and you've put in yourself. This is about healing the gut. It's healing that. And it's also healing on a spiritual level as well. It's healing on an emotional level, healing on a traumatic level. So it takes time. It takes time. If you want your life to be free from pain, then why wouldn't you do this if you know it's going to heal in the end? So if you buy a bottle, use it. No excuse. Oh, I missed it today. Don't miss it today. Do it. I should have put it on. Well, go and put it on then. Where is it? It should be in your bag. It should be close by. No excuse. And that is, the power is within you, not within me. I can tell you how to use it, but whether you use it or not is another thing. Whether you continue doing it and then later on, I get people saying, Jesus Christ, Mark, I never really felt anything. And then now I feel great. And I'm like, how long's it been? Oh, it's been like 8 days. Okay, so did you actually do it every hour? I did. And even though I didn't feel anything, but now I'm feeling something. Right, it's called healing process. You've been programmed to take a tablet that you think fixes you in an hour, or an Anodine or an aspirin or whatever medication, and you're okay in half an hour. That doesn't fix anything. Your problem's always there. That's just suppressing it. This oil heals long term, so you have to work at it. So for IBS, this is my recommendation. Have a great day, everybody. One link below for this amazing, beautiful miracle oil, and I hope you appreciate it. And if you do, and if it has made a difference, and you've watched this video and it's a year old or 2 years old or 3 years old, please put your only if you do the protocol. If you don't do the protocol, then it ain't gonna work. So you're saying stuff that you haven't committed yourself and done it. After you've committed yourself and you've done it every hour and you've done it and like, okay, I'm feeling better and better now. 2 hours, I'm feeling better and better. Now it's 3 times a day, and wow, for the first time in my life, I'm pain-free. That's how I see it working. So let us know. And from the bottom of my heart, I mean this, I hope you have pain relief from your IBS. They tell you that IBS is irreversible. I am living proof, and so are many of my clients that are free from pain and suffering now. It can be done. You just need to take the power back and start to heal all the time that you've taken to become sick. Now you need to heal that, so it takes time. But keep going, because before you know it, you'll be so proud and you'll say, I did it. I did what he said and I worked through it. And actually, it bloody works. And I'm like, yeah, it does. It did for me, and it's done for a lot of other people. So go for it, guys. Give it a try. One link below for this amazing oil, which is made from my heart and from the ancient wisdom. It's amazing.